Today I'm going to show you how to do maintenance on your Roomba self-empty bin. First thing you're going to want to do is see these charging contacts. Mine are pretty clean, but you still want to wipe these down with something damp. Just make sure it's not too wet and make sure that they're nice and clean. That way the robot charges better and everything stays cooler. Then, this little window. This is actually how the robot finds its way home. Make sure that that's not dusty. Then lift open this top, where you'll find your dirt disposal bag. You're going to want to pull that out and make sure that there's nothing in there. For me, there's a little bit of stuff down here, but it's fine. And you have to fill your bag, and this thing will also usually let you know if the bag's full. In my case, the bag's not, but it's still definitely getting there. Don't buy the off-brand bags, they suck. But yeah, that's basically all you have to do. It's super low maintenance, and all you have to do to put the bag back in is line these little things up. Put the little things in here. That's all you have to do.